Looking good around here. GreeneCharge for the win. That reminds me. Chuck, I gotta send you something. Hold on. Coming at you, buddy.
I need to apply something. Thank you, John Perry, wherever you are. Well, fiddlesticks. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. I have the channel Dadding All Day. You can check that out down in the description box below if you'd like. We are here in my Bermuda backyard, a rare appearance on this channel for my backyard. I don't think it's actually ever been in a video, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. Now, my backyard is mostly Bermuda. Pretty good Bermuda, as a matter of fact. Like I said, I don't think I've done anything here on this channel in the backyard, so if you've not followed me on my channel, on the other side of the camera here behind it is an old golf course that's now closed, but what I'm laying on now used to be part of the rough part of the golf course, and where my house is built is actually a whole separate lot, and that was sodded with fescue. Now, that fescue I let sort of toast and die off last year to let the Bermuda take over. So now I am looking at a majority Bermuda backyard. Now, I haven't done anything to the backyard other than mow it regularly, give it plenty of water. I did my pre-emergent and I did a post-emergent herbicide of Spectracide, and that's over on my channel if you're interested. But no fertilizer yet, and now that we are in mid-May, some may say, well, you're behind now, you're behind, you gotta get that stuff out a little bit earlier. Well, the cool temperatures are now behind us. Our lows are now in the upper 50s to 60s, mainly in the 60s, and our highs are actually getting into the 90s this week. So now it is time, I feel, for me to go ahead and get that first fertilizer down. And as soon as I heard that Greene County Fertilizer was releasing the 2600 GreeneCharge, I knew that was gonna be my first fert of the warm season. Look at that right there. Run, baby, run. Fill that area in. It's not going to stand on its own. But 2600 GreeneCharge. John Perry released a video over on his Lawncology channel talking about this product. Jake the Lawn Kid did a What's in the Jug here on the Next DIY Lawn channel on this product. So I'm not going to go through all the little nooks and crannies of GreeneCharge, but just to get the highlights out of the way, 26% nitrogen in the bottle. It comes in the 2.5. It comes in the 1 gallon, and you can also get it in the quart size hose and sprayer bottles. So if you want to go ahead and throw it down, you can go this way. If you want to go ahead and just try it out, you can get the quart size bottle. Pretty cool, huh? It also has some miners in it, including some iron. So what this product is going to do is it's going to help your grass grow. You're going to get that top growth because of that 26% nitrogen. You're also going to get a GreeneCharge out of it. Get it? GreeneCharge? But it is going to give you a deep, dark green color because it does have the iron, and the nitrogen in it also helps get that green color out of the grass. So this is a really good summertime fertilizer. It has been 2 days since the application of GreeneCharge, and just in those 2 days, I can see the color response I'm getting, because this is about the time of day that I applied the application that you watched earlier in the video. And so just coming out here the last couple of days, I am seeing a big color difference, and it's not even the peak color difference yet. It's also grown a lot in those 2 days, so I need to get on the ball when it comes to mowing, because I have to teach the grass to not spend its energy going upwards and use it spreading outwards. Something that a lot of people like about the N-Ext products, they like the combos that are created with our product. So actually a combo you can try is you take your 2600 GreeneCharge and spike it with 3 ounces of RGS, because then not only are you going to be getting the top growth and the color from the GreeneCharge, you're also going to be feeding the roots and getting those to dive down deep and thicken up a little bit. So that's a really good combo. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but just do it. You'll thank me later. That is it for this video. GreeneCharge is out now for you to mix into your fertilization programs. It's going to be my go-to fertilizer back here in the Bermuda lawn. I'm also going to be mixing in the Bio-Stim Pack, Humic 12 Aerate RGS Microgreen as well, because I have a goal to make this look as good as I can by 4th of July weekend, when we host our family for fireworks, barbecue, and games for Independence Day. So I actually have a lot of work to do. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you all the next time I'm on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.